Do you want to look up new vocabulary in physical books and images? This video will guide you on how to use eJOY dictionary when reading books or images, to look up and save individual words, to translate and save phrases, passages. First, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the eJOY English app. If you haven't, simply search for eJOY English 2 on the App Store or Google Play Store. Then select the eJOY icon labeled New and download the app. To look up words in physical books using eJOY English, follow these steps. First, open eJOY. Go to Material section and select the camera icon. Then choose Take a Photo. Now you can take a photo of a book page or passage containing the word you want to look up. After that, you can look up individual words in the image just by one tap. Next, select the arrow icon in the left corner of the lookup window to see all the information about the word, including translations, definitions, slang, synonyms, collocations, and word family. Then you can save any meanings by hitting the Add button. To translate phrases or passages, switch to Extract to translate phrases. At this point, simply highlight the passage.
Dursley was thin and blonde and it nearly twice.
And eJOY will display a window with a translation. Should you want to save it for a later review, you can choose the Add button. And don't forget that you can edit the phrase and translation before saving. So, what happened if you still don't understand the translated content? AI Explain can give you a detailed and clear explanation for specialized terms. It gives results in English and Vietnamese, along with an example sentence. You can also use AI to explain longer passages in a much simpler way, like this. Now you know how to look up and save vocabulary when reading physical books or viewing images with the eJOY English app. What are you waiting for? Try this amazing feature now!